the attack helo
Wow.
here?
Unborn, where are you at? You're in that MRAP?
No, I'm by the MRAP.
Get away from it.
We're about to kill it. That's so genius, man.
Who's on the attack helos here?
I didn't even see it.
Look at it. It's
Pancake
right
in this?
there.
Pancake's not in here, is he?
No.
Never mind. That guy's still up there again. Look, I just killed him again. Oh, it's a different guy than that.
This guy right
That
here
air
is trying
mine.
to kill us. Right there, yep.
Got him. Oh, he's still shooting at us. Oh, that guy's there again with his little specialty fucking camo bullshit.
Hey.
He's more of a threat.
He's just leaving Charlie. He's going around that Echo side now. Yeah.
Load down.
Oh, fuck, they're shooting
Other
at us.
side
He's
of
right by
C.
the flag. Yep.
And we're about to fix something right here. Dang it.
Okay, what are we fixing?
Like B side.
Tank? 2 tanks in spawn. Oh, wow. Oh, no, I jumped out somehow. What the hell happened?
I just towed their chopper.
Pick me up over here if you
Where you
can. Oh, I'm right on this. Oh, I'm on this roof over here. This should be safe. Just came out of that little room down there. I got him. Alright, there's a tank.
Transport.
2 guys in spawn. See him over there?
Oh, that's not the transport. I almost shot you guys.
Nice. Yeah, you gotta aim a little higher.
Sorry.
Alright. Somebody switch or I'll switch. I don't care.
How many people are in the server?
It's just 4 of us right now, but it's hard to say. It'll be a minute. Switch. Tell your, tell
He's not in TS. Tell him if he wants to come to my team.
Calgary, switch over with Cougar.
Humble, did you hurt the tank?
Nice. Yeah, it's down. Everyone under Charlie. Hey guys, I'm gonna jump into the channel because I'm with different server.
That's it. Fuck.
I have eyes on a hostile tank. Stop where you are.
Oh my lord, that toe.
I spotted an enemy chopper. Heads up. Spotted an enemy machine gunner to drop into location.
That toe missile. Here's the attack.
Take that
Enemy
now.
chopper spotted.
Oh, nice.
Oh, unborn.
Is he dead?
Yeah, I correct him. Scout. I'm not sure. There's LAV tape. 3, 2, 1. Sorry, stole all that. Oh, too bad that missile's not gonna hit me.
Now have control of objective Echo.
How about you stop spawn killing, hacker?
Duty's on you. You can just turn your aimbot off. It's only a matter of time before he falls in the water.